Have you ever been to the gym and you're about to max out on the lift? You're getting amped up and pumped up, and you're like, yeah, I'm about to kill this. So then, let's say your bench press, you're still getting amped up, still getting, what I'm saying, your friends, whatever. And then you barely getting it, you get it, you struggle, but hey, you got it. That's what I'm talking about. A new PR, personal best. And then you go on social media, or even worse, you look around the gym and see that one guy in the corner that's doing your max that you just spent all year trying to get for reps. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you, do you need a little work? Are you average? Or are you pretty advanced more than you think you are? Stay tuned. We all know that bench pressing is one of the ultimate tests of upper body strength, but how much should you be lifting? Well, whether you're just starting out, already average, or aiming to be advanced, let's figure out exactly where you stand. Now, before I begin, it's important to know that I will separate the data into 3 categories: need work, average, and advanced, for both men and women. And we will factor in your age group to make it more realistic and practical. Ready to find your number? Here we go. Starting off with my fellas in the age group 20 to 29. So if you bench press 70% of your body weight, you need a little work. If you bench press your body weight, you're average. And if you bench press 1.5 times your body weight, you're actually in the advanced category. Now, for my ladies, if you're doing 50% of your body weight, you need a little work. If you're doing 70% of your body weight, you're average. And if you bench press 100% of your body weight, you're actually pretty advanced. Congratulations. And now, my own age group, men in their 30s to 39-year-olds, as well as females. So the older we get, the weaker we become a little bit, but here's where you should be. If you're a man, if you're doing 65% of your body weight, you need a little work. If you're bench pressing your body weight, you're average. And if you're doing 1.3 times your body weight, you're actually pretty advanced. Now, I know you're probably wondering how much am I bench pressing in this video? Well, this is 300 pounds. 1.3 of my body weight is 286 pounds. So pretty advanced. And for all my beautiful ladies out there in their 30s to 39, if you're doing 45% of your body weight, you need a little work. 65%, you're average. 90% of your body weight, you're actually pretty advanced. Moving on to the men in the ages of 40 to 49, maintaining strength is the key, brother. So if you're doing 60% of your body weight, you need a little work. 90%, you're average. You're doing 1.2 or 1.5 times your body weight, you're actually pretty advanced if you're in the 40 to 49-year-old. Now, for my ladies in the same age group of 40 to 49, if you're doing 40% of your body weight, you need a little work, brother. If you're doing 60% of your body weight, you're average. If you're doing 85% of your body weight, you're actually pretty advanced. And for all of my men and women that's over 50, yo, congratulations. Keep doing it, keep grinding, keep fighting, brother. I'm with you. I hope to get to your age and still be doing the same thing, man. But check your boy out. If you are a man and you are 50 years and over, if you're doing 50% of your body weight, you need a little work. 75% of your body weight, you're average. And at least 1 times your body weight, you're actually pretty strong, brother. Now, for females 50 and over, if you're doing 35% of your body weight, you need a little work. 50% of your body weight, you're average. 70% of your body weight, you're pretty advanced. That's what I'm talking about. The fact that y'all working out and you're 50 and up, yo, killing the game, brother. Keep doing it, man. I'm rooting for you. So, how do you stack up? If you're not where you want to be, don't even worry about it. Trim takes time to build up, man. In the meantime, hit that like button if you got something from this video. Subscribe for more training tips. Let's level up together. See you in the next video.